Hello guys, ako ni guys, Atoy TV guys. Welcome to my channel guys. Karon guys, mag-grade tournament ni guys. Formally grade at Ate Ella is my cousin guys. Ella and Oman, happy birthday known as Raya Kawai. Happy birthday Ate Ella. Wish you pag-happy lang sa inyong birthday o dami inyong handa. Sa'yo lang ate kay karon pa ko naka-vlog sa inyong birthday kay kalimutan ko. Guys, pwede mag-support mo sa vlog video kang Raya Kawai guys. Kasi na ko guys si Ate Ella. Again, mag-happy birthday ta akong Ate Raya. Then, bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell. You can see my video. Guys, pag support po kang Mama Ilin o si Raya Kawai guys. Muna akong cousin guys o igsawan ni Mama po. Then, bye guys. See you next time.